All right. So I got an idea now what I want to do, I think. Yeah. What's new? I might have an idea what I'm doing. We'll see. Yeah. Okay. So step one. Step one is I'm gonna remove what I did yesterday. It's all shit. This thing. There is that issue though. Huh. Well, actually my idea almost works. Except here. Not sure how I'm gonna replace that. Maybe I did need this. Selection rect. I really want this to be a thing though. So maybe I was a bit too hasty on this, removing that. Okay, wait, undo. Selection red. I'll pass it up here, it's fine. I guess it should be called selection rect then. I can't pass this with the ref. Oh, because I probably didn't do a ref over there. I did. What? Why? It cannot be passed. Come on. Selection time. And now they're happy. What did I change? What? Okay, I guess it's a bad mistake. Oh man, I'm getting misled by OmniSharp. Should I take the plunge and just upgrade to their proprietary rule thing? This? I really don't want to though. Did they fix like some of the issues? How do I know which one I upvoted? I wonder if they closed it. Forgot. Anyways, now it works, so I guess it's fine. We'll do time equals null. I'm not allowed to do that. It's a non. Oh, direct. Alright, what am I doing? I'm doing timeline stuff. Oh, hello, qu'est-ce que je fais? I don't know if you're still here. Okay, here, I'll run the game. I hate that the light makes me look so white like this. One sec, let's see if I can fix it. Maybe that's better. Okay, this is what is going on. Is that a crash? Or is it because I'm on a breakpoint? Oh, it's a crash. I guess that makes sense because I didn't initialize it. Yeah. Oops. Why doesn't it tell me to do like the new thing like this? All right. Oh, what? Oh, is it because I'm not allowed to do that? No. I broke it? Do we end up in this? We do? But it's never returning. I guess I need to put it on here. Oh, because we don't have a level selected, so it's working as designed. Alright. I wonder if I should though. Oh yeah, now that I have this, I should update. Come on. What was the version 4? Oh, I'm on 3 still. These libraries are progressing faster than I can update. Come on. This freaking thing closed. This is no longer required. Oops, this one. Okay, so step 1 is bounds. Finally, we get it. So either there's something selected or not -1, but bound dot explosion times dot bounds dot it has a value, right? Dot x is correct, right? Is it y though? No, it's x. Okay. I'm not allowed to do that. I mean, bounds can be null. Oh, come on, why can't I do that? Rectangle for value. Oh, so when I do this, I don't need to do that value. I do need to do that value. Float to X. Oh. I think I'm allowed to cast to int. Int rather. Oh, int is fine. Wait, why do I have to cast to that? This whole cast, this cast applies to the whole thing? Why did I have to cast in the first place? Oh no, it's fine. It's this part that might not have a value. If there's no value, I guess we can just skip the whole thing. And that count bigger than 0. And now bounds must have a value. Alright. So that's all. But now we need, it's not 0 here. It's this. Or that bound, that bound, that value, that width. Let's try that. Maybe I should refactor this a little bit. Okay, well, it works. It still works. Oh, that's weird because it shouldn't. I mean, it works, but it's bugged. I guess I'm supposed to do if this that has value. If it has a value, then 0 or that. Okay, that's good. It works. Okay, and let's make sure that it actually does work. Oops. I'll just make that bigger, that's fine. We're gonna be at 600. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. It works. Oh, I ended up putting them both at 600, I guess. That's funny. Instead, you'll be at 800. Wow. And then if I go in here, it works. That's really cool. Okay, so then it just works. I mean, this is dangerous, I guess, because you're gonna be selecting like every time from every every obstacles in the whole game. I guess use this with caution. Okay, next part. Next part is I mirror the apply edit stuff. Bum, 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 bum. Also, I was thinking about this, because right now it's using like this offset thing idea. Maybe there's a different way I can do it if I base from 0, 0. This here. It would be so good if I could get rid of that. So if right now I have like this offset, which is the current position, and then the first offset is yourself, and then you end up with an anchor. Bum, bum, bum. And you did this plus that. This code looks error prone. Old offset. Oh, that's funny. I guess that's the condition for when it's done or something. Yeah. Okay. Everybody chill. Okay, how do I do this now? This code is so scary. There's also this idea of single hover. Okay, so the logic is that if I'm editing, in that case, you can't be selecting because you're already editing. And if you're editing, oh, that's fun. Why is this like that? And then based on this, on this value, we have two sides. Yeah. Ah, shit. Okay, so I guess the main issue is that this thing is a UI element. But it wants to do things that are in the editor. I guess I should just do what I wanted to do anyways. Just like do the same sort of code but for the timeline. Dang. Alright. Let's start with like just copying this code, I guess. Single hover. I wonder how I'll do it. Let's see what it's doing in here. If the selection rect is null. In other words, if it's null, then it's... yeah. This is important too, this code. Okay, but we don't need to care about it just yet. Let's just steal this. Do I steal the hover too? Ah, not yet. Okay, how do we integrate this though? Why do I need hover in here? I guess I do, yeah. This is also there. Why is this? Who knew coding an editor would be this hard? Well, it's not like hard, but it's really complex. So many like states to keep track of. By the way, I think I fixed my mic. At least I haven't had an issue since I changed a bunch of stuff. Though I don't understand why my fix works. But I have like a plus 48 volt on my mixer. And it used to be that there was no sound when that thing was off. But I guess it's not the case anymore. Well, there was a bit of sound, but it was really quiet. So I don't get why I'm pretty sure my mic needs that boost, but I guess it's not needed. Okay, so the order is let's move this up. It's fine that everything is there. Why is this required? Okay, fair enough. Why is the apply edit done after the selection? Oh, I guess that's why. Selected entities. This comes into apply selection. I feel like the order is important, but I don't understand why. Why would this line not be above here? This is not used at all. Whatever. Okay, so first these modifiers. done here. I guess they are useful. Grid size. It's either your shift. Edit is also a thing here. Oh, never mind. I'm here. Okay. Wow. Hovered into it does not equal null. Allow move. What was this? Oh man, it's crazy. The states in this equals null. Maybe that's why this was the order. If it's not null, you're allowed to move. Oh, that's kind of a funny idea, yeah. So you can't just drag the selection no matter what. You only can if you're hovering something. In this case, I guess this would always be false. This would always be true, rather. I don't think I need that mechanic in here in the timeline. I think. Okay, permanent snap to grid. Is there a different name for that? Snap? Okay. You don't like that? Okay, you do. Grid size. Grid size is based on this. It's either 10 or 100 based on if I'm holding left or shift. Maybe I need to move this up then. How many lines do we have here now? 300 or dang. This is so packed of logic, this whole thing. All right, I might even need to, oh wait, let me just read this again. Snap, triggers aligned to grid. That's my grid. Maybe I should even snap to existing keyframes. Shoop, shoop, that would be kind of interesting. Not yet though. Okay, for now we'll just snap to 100, that's fine. Well, I'll hard code it. Not the worst idea. Not int. You don't like this? Allow move. I guess I already didn't care. The int. Okay, this is almost useful. Apply edit. Apply edit. Shit. Do I just copy all of this? There's one issue, is this offset thing. Is it, or is there one? Oh yeah, this offset thing. But first, before I can code this, I need this apply selection. Okay, but first I need to read it a little bit. Is selection done? It does this, and selection rect null, which I think is what is done here, right? Yeah. Edit rect equals the thing, which I guess is this. Edit rect equals selection rect. I'm confused. What is this used for? Right now, rather? Is this not executed right now? Alright, whatever. I need apply selection. I guess this is gone. It will end up into this later. But wait, let me just see again. Edit. At what point does this get a value? Here, yeah. Here, I guess. This is for the case where we're 1. Wait, why do we need to check for that? Okay, compute bounds, that's the more interesting one. Yeah. Alright, let's start with apply selection. That doesn't exist yet. Apply selection. What do we have here? Nice. Oh, never mind. I thought it was fixed. It's not fixed. Dang. That sucks. It went for hours without bugging. Cycle index. I don't think this is relevant. Mouse cycle. I think this whole thing would not be required. And then I need get hovers. That would be duplicated code, but it would only be this part. Sorry for the clipping. Wait, where am I now? I wonder if there's a better way instead of having to duplicate this code. It's like I need a USB isolator for the mic or something. Okay, so I see that the code is gonna become like really complex really fast. So I need to think about timeline. Hey Corbo. Logic simple, yeah. It's like I have an interface, I have like something that already works, and now I want to replicate like the thing into a different dimension. In a way, like what I'm gonna figure out for this, it's gonna shape like everything I'm gonna do for the editor in the future. If I wanna do like more complex stuff with more data types. I mean, it's not like it's complex, right? You're clicking, you're dragging, you're moving things around, that's all. And the only thing that's different is that there's an extra selection thing. Here, I'll show you what I have though. Let's just get rid of everything I just did. This is no longer needed. Shit. Okay, fine, I'll undo then. Many times, yeah. Alright, check that. move it back to that. Any errors? No, good. Hey, it was fast, nice. All right, so we have obstacles here. We have a timeline here, and the purple marks, they show the time of the obstacles. So I can move around, or rather I can like select, and then you see it has like a, yeah, it's keyframes. You see how like when I select and go over this purple, on the interface we see that it's hovered. And then if we include the other one, we see that it's hovered. Now when I release, it has to select them. A bit like when I do this, boop. So the selection here is in 2D, over 2D space. Yeah. I can also like select this level, and now we're in. So we can see the animation. Music is done. Do Marvel lo-fi beats, sure. That's the low-key team. All right. So yeah, so the way that the editor works is I'm able to select things. I can move them around. Eventually the same thing should be done here. I can select this, poop, let go, and then I can drag it around. And then move it on the timeline to like retime the keyframes. I'm also able to click on one thing, hold shift, then click on something else to select it. Now I selected all three. Or I can like select all three and then hold control to remove. So I can add things to the selection, or I can cycle. So all these controls, they need to be done on the timeline too. Bum, 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 bum. I check this for the you can modify the interval. So this is like from 0 every 100, and it makes it easier to put keyframes. But you can have an offset, let's say, of 20. And then you can snap to like 100, like 20, 120. Yeah. Or you can move this to be like 50. And then snap to this. And then I can take this, and then right now I can do enter to move it. And then let's say I do this one. I want it at 350, enter, bam. I guess you can see it unless I select this. So that's fun. Okay, so how do I get access to this data? And I want it to be smooth. I mean, I could also just move all the logic up into the editor and then just have the timeline stay dumb. I mean, that almost feels wrong though. Also, the input, they are done before, right? Like the UI, this is a UI element. It's like above the game. So if I click here, it goes on the timeline instead of the game. I mean, I can also do like a transfer. Like the action starts in here and then it gets transferred into here after like the first frame or something. That can work. It's almost like an architecture problem right now. How to organize the code so that it's maintainable. How to make it maintainable, I guess. Far From Home, that's Spider-Man, right? Yeah. What was my spawn point? Spawn is not found. Or wasn't it minus? It's not minus. I keep forgetting my hotkeys. Yeah, in VS Code, yeah. Yeah, I don't like VS, it's too big. I don't like the way it looks. Place start is add. Place end is no longer required, right? Oh, it is there, what? Oh, because it's that, true. Oh, I have to select the level. I can't believe I coded it so that that works. Oh, I can't walk. Okay, how do I do my thing? Can I finish this stream with like a success? This timeline stuff? Why did I move that up? Cursor. I guess because of that. True, okay, it's fine then. Hey, did you come to Canada already? Are you already gone? Yeah, yeah. Oh, you are. Feel free to stop by if you want. Before I go full depression mode on this timeline stuff, I'm north slightly. I'm around Quebec City.
It's showtime.
Hey, thanks for the raid, Mystic Kills. Welcome. Raid. Is that yours? Oh, you have that. Nice. Oh, are you doing? Oh, you do animations, right? Don't I follow you? Yeah, I follow you. Nice. Yeah. Mater viewers 18 plus only. Haha. Bum. Dum, 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 dum. Oh, you're staying here until the summer? A new trigger, nice. Bum, 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 bum. Trigger alert. Sensitive people beware. Alright, no, not like that. How's the game coming? It's so close from being good. I'm working on this timeline stuff, so I have like in my game keyframes with things that are appearing at the specific keyframe, and levels loop. So this one loops every like 1 second, and then you can see like this thing is like doing stuff at 50, 350, 750. Let me just resize that so it doesn't look shit. Ah, very cool. So you see this is just a explosion cycle, and this kills. In practice, this is how it looks. Boom, boom. Ah, come on. I did that on purpose, I swear. Hey Corvo, look at this. You can play this game with arrow keys now. I actually can beat the whole thing with arrow keys. Ah, shit. Yeah. Gyroscope. Oh. Oh, wait. Damn, don't tempt me. Wait, this game on gyroscope? I never considered that, but that's kind of cool. That actually might be the solution if I wanted to port to mobile. Yeah, that would be way smoother than having to click the screen. Or like having arrows, and then you can, like, you know, a lot of games have like a little joystick or something on the side. But like, yeah, then you have to put your finger on the freaking screen. No, but the delay is not slower than like how you move the mouse, right? Like, it's up to you. I don't know, maybe gyroscope is like not accurate or fast enough, but maybe it would work for intense. Like, you get like the wrist action. I don't know. Oh, did I do it? Oof, that was close, almost failed. Oh no. Come on. Oh, I did one too much. Ah, come on. It's a bit weird because arrow keys, they change my understanding of the game. Oh, I had it. It's not easier. It's like you have less motion angle. I think like I coded it so you have like 16 angles. So like I don't think you could do like a really, like with mouse it's really smooth, but it's still doable. Like this one here is really precise. Ah, come on. This one, like, you need to be like so precise. Ah, come on. I had it. I just had to keep holding the button. Why did I do this level? Oh, come on, I had it. Just have to click. Yeah, you're so close. Freaking game. I'm making it look harder than it is. Like if I go with my mouse like that, I just have to go down more. Hey, applesauce, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. I need to press that other button as I'm going down. Oh, not that way though. I made like some combos to like make arrow keys more precise a little bit. I gotta not let go of the right button though. Ah, shit. Ooh, like that. That was so close. You see that angle? It's like steeper than usual arrow keys. Oops. Ooh. Ah, man. I'm going all... I'd like someone to see like a speedrunner do it with arrow keys. Oh, come on. Pressing every wrong keys. Why can't I do it? I did it like first try the other day off stream. It just means I didn't master it. I mean, my trailer video has it. On this. Oh, I have a bug. Oops, that's not good. keyframe from cursor. I'm in editor. Entity island. What? How can this be an island? Uh-oh. If this has a value, it needs to be a value of ob. Oh, I guess it's because when I reset, I don't reset this. Where's my reset stuff? This? This would fix it, I think. But just make sure I can reproduce that. And suddenly it's slow again. That's weird. Anyways, check this. Come on. But wait, step one, map. This. So I select this, then I go to a different map, and it bugs. Perfect. And then if I do this, it's slow. Come on. Oh, I'm playing with a joystick. Never mind, it's not arrow keys. Oh, close. It's so smooth, the joystick. Whoop. Hey, it's not bugged anymore. It's a big bug fix. Music is done. Maybe I should end the stream. It's already almost 6. I might work on this off stream. I mean, if I were to do it the easy way, I need to replicate this is selection done and this is edit done. along with having the value of edit and the value of selection. So that requires 4 variables. The one thing I could do is bundle this variable inside the selection for this line edit thing. Like add like a thing in here. Maybe like make this be just a void and set the value. So instead of returning true, it would just set it to true. And then I can use that in the editor. That would be probably fine. Then I can do like all the code in here and have the timeline only care about the selecting visuals, but it doesn't have to, like, it can stay dumb and not do anything. Then the history can be done in here. Yeah, probably it would work. Still a bit annoying, but it would be simple enough. And then I might even not need new code. Like I just need these variables. And then it can go through the general, like, I guess I will need a special edit. But the apply selection thing here, this would work because it already hooks into my hovers. I guess the cycle index. This is for single hover. Selection direct. I feel like it's not required to support that for the timeline. Why does it need to set it to null? I guess it doesn't, but it's fine to do it. Yeah, I guess that's what I'll do. I'll just bundle this variable straight from inside. And I don't think I need like the timeline has the same complexity. Like when you create, we're not gonna create from inside the timeline. So we never need to manually set something to true. Same as if we paste. And the edit done. This one is even simpler. Should I just do it right now? So this wasn't really used right in here. selection done. Edit rec, selection rec. Yeah, this would be transferred over to the editor. So this would not even need to care. Yeah. Okay. Let's try to do a speed run of implementing that. Is done. So this would be like that. If I have that, then this also will get deleted. For now, it's fine though. This is gone. Okay. Come on, give me my errors. You won't? Rip. Oh god, I messed up. Okay, now they're in and usable. Now let's just plug that in. Edit drag. Kind of need that, but for now let's just try to get something that looks like it works. Alright, update input. We'll hard code it to 100. So this thing has priority. Edit. Mouse. Can create is not a thing in here, right? It is. To timeline scale. is not a thing. This is called snap. This is called just 100. I'll do this even though this is not permanent. Okay, so now this is hooked up. In other words, so at the point we get here, it's already done. Apply edit. Okay, well, let's start with apply selection. Selection doesn't need. Is selection done? Or selection time that is done. That should be allowed. Because this one here goes through the proper process, and I've already modified this to use this thing here. So that's fine. Now the next part is this apply edit. But I mean, if the other one is fine, doesn't this one mean that it's fine? No, because we're not moving on the XY axis, we're moving on the timeline axis. I guess that's the first tricky part. How do you move? I guess I start by just duplicating this. And then have like a special version. Apply edit time maybe is done. Okay, but it's not this one, it's the edit time. Okay, yeah, it's just time. Selected entity, that should be fine. E dot first, but the thing is that now we have to okay, edit. Start by just moving everything. This whole thing gets changed soon anyways. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's good, that's good. This we don't really care anymore. That was just a UI for manually editing positions. Now we need to apply edit time. We need to limit so that it's not come on every time it runs. Hey, what could go wrong? It seems fine to me. 13, oh. Wow, okay. I'm sure web devs have done worse sins. Okay, but first let me just call it. I guess over here. Apply edit time. Edit rect time rather. That is done. This should be fine, right? How does this one... If... Oh, oops, I went the wrong way. This guy. So this would get skipped if this has no value. So that's fine. You know what? There's a bug, possibly. No, because you can't be moving both at the same time. No, but once you select them, you'll have both edit. But this thing has a gate for the position, so it's fine. So if one doesn't move, it won't create. It will be fine. Okay, okay. So how... Now we're not allowed to do first. We have to like move next until we find an obstacle. With code similar to this. I guess for the time we don't need to update path ever. And in here I need a mechanism to skip. Entities count 1. This would not be a thing, right? Oh, maybe I can make it a thing. By enlarging the size so that it can be clicked. One issue right now is that my keyframes are like 1 pixel. So the selection thing would be 1 pixel, so you can't even do anything with it. I guess this is kind of nice then. I'll be able to give it a default size. Alright, first things we need like to eat this. So eat and move next. So there's a while here. Okay, maybe I need to code this. I guess everything. Remove entity. What is this called? Yeah, I guess that's true. Story create. Is that all? I guess it makes sense. I don't need that for the timeline. So for the timeline, it's just this move, 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 or history move. Resize is not a thing. I think that's safe to delete. This will be converted into just an int. Yeah. This will become edit. Is this relevant? I guess it is. I'll move this guy down. Edit. Time. Int. This will start at 0. Okay, for now I'll code as is. I already skipped everything. Then I'll code the skip after. So edit time. I can't do that. Oh, I can. Nice. I guess I could allow. This is an int, right? It's a left width. Line edit. Let me just read the code really fast. A left width is int. Okay. So I don't need to cast for that. Left. Position is just left. That's not a thing for that. This is called a width. It's like really misleading words, I guess. Oops. Start size does not exist. Edit time start. Is that not how I named them? Edit time initial. Oh, because it's these. Edit. Oh, oops. Just 0, 0. Edit time anchor is wrong because it's supposed to be int. Okay, we're getting somewhere now. Okay, so now let's just code this move. I'll move it down here, I guess. Move entity time. Entity. Rip. I thought I could fix it. Damn. Oh, then delete all temps. Move entity time, update, storage. Do I already have a thing called like... I think I'm coding something that I already... The set keyframe is what I'm supposed to use. Let's undo. Let me reread this again. Set keyframe is down here. Entity explosion. I just give you int and a keyframe. And then there's an update time storage. Good. So all my move would be, it's called set keyframe entity. Okay. No, not here. Set keyframe entity. You int. Okay, right now it's bugged, but it's fine. Set keyframe, but what do you give? I give you the keyframe. In other words, just the offset, right? And this is in a long format. I think this is fine. First, that offset would be wrong though. Okay. Offset. Shit. Do I just add? I don't have an alternative yet, so I guess I'll do long. Offset time. Was this? This is part of an interface. But if I do that, it's fine. It's not fine. Is it fine or is it not fine? Why did I have to do... Like, you have to implement this, which is this. I don't know. We'll see later if I need to do that. Offset time is a thing. First. So just first that ID. Wait, why did the other one need... Oh. Apply edit. APs. Be back later. So this one is update storage with this E, while this one takes ID. Why is it coded like that? Move entity UID. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. It's keyframe ID. Okay, they're all set to ID. Move entity. No, this one has two. Is that because I was lazy? The signature is not the same. This one only takes XY. This one takes the whole thing. Why? I guess it's because when I move it, Nice. ID. Okay. So part 1 is done. Next part is history stuff. Time. Left. This is probably not required, but maybe it is. I did it again. Oops, sorry about that, pup. Oh, maybe that's another way to fix it. What's wrong? Into Victor 2, this one true. Edit time. I messed it up so hard. Alright, now this is set keyframe. Okay, this here is interesting. I'll wait a bit before I fix that. I'm not sure what I should do. The issue is that if I'm not careful, I mean, there's this anchor thing that is giving me my offset, and it's based on this left. In other words, if I'm not careful, for now I'll comment this out, I guess. Hey, no more errors, but it's not perfect. Okay, so first things first, we need to loop while we need like to skip a bunch. What is my while E? Move next. While E is not type explosion. Entity explosion. This should be good, right? Just eat all the things. Now the first after this will be an explosion. So everything is fine, I think. And then next part is while E.move next. I should be allowed to do that again. Oops. It sucks to do that, but we're applying on time. This is only thing that matters. So now we have the first, we have the thing, we have the move next. Move next needs to be that. I think this is valid code. He is not that. Do that. Boom. Set it. Everything else in the selection is ignored. Because the selections can have mixed things inside. So now that I did that, if I have that, I'm done. Did I do it? Oh, I don't compile. Okay, that's the error I was looking for earlier, and it wasn't giving it to me. Nice, nice. Offset time. Kind of annoying, I guess, but whatever. I'll have to think about like how can I like simplify this. All right, so this guy has it. Next guy has it. Next guy. Pretty sure they're making C# be shittier on purpose. That's my conspiracy theory. I mean OmniSharp. To make people go to the new thing. Bum, bum, bum. Did I get them all or did I forget some? Hey, it compiled. That's a good sign. Come on, run. Okay, moment of truth. What happened? What happened is that I forgot to clear my selection. In editor, at what point is this getting set to null? It doesn't work. This apply selection. Wait. Or selection time is done. I think it's fine for me to do selection time dot rect. Dot rect. I should write my recs like this. Rect. I think this is valid. Oops. Let's try that again. Okay. This works? Ah, but where did my... I mean, this is fine. Wait, what? Hey, crew. Wait, what? Oh, because I'm not allowed to modify them. Okay, wait, let's restart. Okay, first, this is really awesome. I can select this from the timeline and start moving them, okay? It's a huge improvement. But now I don't have a selection. Why? I guess it's because I have to compute it here. This, all those values. It makes everything hard. I guess I duplicate this and I make compute time selection bounds. What is else if it's more? Yeah, let's, but then it requires looping twice. And this is already like heavy. can write the code, but it's gonna be shit. Like shit code. I mean, it's fine, I guess. But I'm already pissed. Just like thinking about it. Okay, first things first, I guess. This. Okay, this, I guess I should do the same here. That would be valid, right? If I delete. What's down here? Edit time. I think that's fine. Okay. Next. Next I have this part. Okay, I'll write the shitty version. Maybe I'll think of something better. Maybe this. Found first time. Okay. First. But then the code is so confusing. Can I cheat it somehow? I mean, this thing only does the bounds, right? It finds like X, Y, X1, 2. And first here is, I guess it's used like here after. Position. This would be the time. Found first time. Oh yeah, nice. Boom. Boom. Oh yeah, how do I not code something that's shit? I don't know how. Is it possible? If... Okay, let's start by the end. If found first time, then we can do edit. It's never resizable, so that's already fine. Edit time start x y equals. This is an int now. It's just gonna be, let's say xt1. It's gonna be the name. It doesn't exist, but it's fine. Edit time start size equals xt2 minus xt1. Okay. Edit time dot rect equals. This is what? It's a line rect new line width rather, and then this is gonna be edit time start xy. Edit time start size. Okay. First time dot offset time equals first time dot Oh, but you don't necessarily have the time, right? Music is dead. Oh. I'll put this one, I guess. Wasn't there like a part 1 or something? I'll do this. Boom. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so I have access to time. In other words, this first time has access to time. We know that because this is an entity explosion. Okay, so now we have something that's possible. Oh yeah, well, also edit time anchor equals minus edit time start edit time start xy. Fair enough. And then there's also two things. The time initial start xy equals edit time start xy. Nice. Edit time initial start size. I'm getting physical pain just writing all of this. Start size. It's like this code is mental warfare right now. It's not complex, but it's like, do you really want to write this? Okay, so now I have something that works. I just need to like bring in the things that shit. Okay, so step 1 first. We'll put this there. If E dot current is explosion time, or is that not how you write? Entity explosion. If this is that, and I guess I'll just copy the code, it's fine. But this is int, is it? It is. But the other one is float, long. Maybe I should use that. Anyway, xt1 equals, it's just nothing. xt2, it's nothing. So if we have that, then we can oh, and I guess this is an entity explosion thing. First time. Now they're not happy because it's not initialized. That's perfect. That's perfectly fine. I might have to initialize it anyways, but for now it's fine. So first time equals xt1 equals first time dot. Wait. There's no concept of width. I guess it's fine then. Time. Why are you not happy? True. This should just be EE, let's call it. Why are you not happy then? Long to int. Okay. At this point, I guess everything becomes a long. All right. I think that's fine anyways. Oh, I created new errors. But this is correct. Okay, that's good. So xt1, xt2 will initialize to the same thing because there's no width or anything. It's just like that. Or is it 1, the width? Is the width like is my like width considered 1? So I would do like the time plus 1. Oh, and then don't forget found first equals true. Okay, so if now this is correct. Hey, thanks for follow Flavin FVN. Oh, thanks for subscription actually. Man, my sounds are wrong. So it's messing me up. It used to not be that. I wonder why it broke. It's a follow. It's both. No, it's a sub. Thank you. Follow clue, yes. Yeah. Shit, I need to add that. I don't have it, right? That's like my favorite too. Wait 1 sec. Yeah. I gotta add it. Clueless. Aware. I need to add both actually. This is like am I supposed to click? Yeah. That worked, right? Yes, it worked. Pointless. Wow, they have so many. This is too good. Aware. Yeah. Yeah, when you look at the code, it's too good. Yeah. Man, I love that face. And people say you can't have emotions in text chats. Like you can't convey as much information as speech. But then you look at those emotes and those have way more information you could have using speech. Like this is just too good. I couldn't be this expressive. This is just way too good. All right, shit. Man, I'm just pissed already just looking at this. Because I need to have I need to have this. If is that EE2, fuck you, I guess. And then found first time is false. Then do this. EE2. Okay. Else. Ah, shit. I guess I'm supposed to not do that like that. If this. Like that. Else. Else. It's this. XT. And then this would be EE2. EE2 that time. Ah, man. Good luck keeping track of this. Future me is gonna be unhappy, I think. And then this. XT1. Let's say XT2. Math F. I guess it's not Math F. XT1. Why not? Unassigned. Fair enough. I mean, we know it's assigned, but whatever. I guess it's just that. And then this is unassigned, but I can't initialize it to 0 though. I can, because it's gonna get overwritten. Ah, shit. First time. But it's not. Can I do like equals null or something? Can I do this? Thank you. Thank you for being understanding. And now it's only a matter of making this be a long. Why did this start as an int? I'm not sure, but I hope I can just do this. Did I know what I was doing back then? Or was I just lazy? Mouse, world. I think I can make this be that. Left width. I gotta change that. Contains. Still wrong. Wrong to int dx. Okay. With dx drag distance is long. I wonder where else I'll have errors after. New left. Snap. I have snap, but those are longs. Okay, no more bugs, at least there. Where editor. This is long. This is long, so I guess it's not updated or something. No bugs? Okay. Do I risk it? Or did I forget something? What is going on? Why did it zoom in? Okay. It didn't work. Did I forget to apply the thing? No. What? Is it bugged? Where am I? Oh. I guess this is infinite. I need a mechanism to break out. Because we're... So this becomes null and then it just keeps going. What's the thing to know that it's gone? This move next, it returns a bool. If break in C# break only breaks out of the first, right? Jump statements, break, closest, huge. I did Python the other day and I think it was the same, right? Let's restart. Why did I not think of that? Oh, the difference is that this one is done there. Can't I put this in? Yeah, I can. I'll fix that later. Okay. Poop, that works. Poop, that works. Let go. It doesn't work. At least there's no infinite loop. That's good. Why did it not work? Where's my code? This. We do end up here. We do have a rect. It does have a width. Do I just not draw it? Must have forgotten that. Where's the draw? Draw line edit. I forgot to draw it. Edit. Oh, but I wanted to clean up the code a little tiny bit. Where are my git changes in here? Did it bug? Dang, this is why we can't have nice things. Have like one of the most powerful computer or something and it... Hey, it works! It doesn't work. But it almost works. Wait, why? Yeah, that's the issue. This one is like 1 pixel wide. Oh, and now it's an infinite loop. Where? guess it missed. This is false. But there's no move next right now. I coded that wrong, I guess. And E dot move next. I don't need this, right? This is just made to eat it. And same thing here. Just cycle through this. But why would it not work? And then this one works on this one from the previous iteration. I think this is fine. So if this is false, eat it. If it's true... Oh, did I mess it up? Is it an or actually? If it is not... If it's not... I might have to invert the condition with. So if this is that, but not. Oh, wait. I need to express this in one condition while still eating the move next thing. Actually, why don't I move next inside? I don't have to do a first one, right? And same with this while... No, wait. E dot move next. This happens in line, and then I can do this right away. Get rid of that. While move next. And, so as soon as it's false, and then E is not. So if this is true, if this is an explosion, ah man, why can't I figure this out? This is like beginner stuff. E. Maybe I need water or something. It's so simple. But wait, so you want to cycle through this as long as this is not an explosion. So I got it right, I think. Though this one down here, you want to keep going. This is just to find the first one. Dang. Hey, peace. I guess I missed the comment earlier. Still didn't work. So this would be false at the end. I mean, if it's false, that's bad, right? Oh. This, we know. This is not good. Let's rerun it anyways. Maybe I fixed at least that part of the issue. The issue is that though this can eat all the things, and then this becomes null, and then we end up with null.id. Yeah, like that. If it's null, then we just get out, right? Dang. Sorry for the load. Hello. It's pissing me off. So wait, what if? Wait. Current equals that, set keyframe equals that. Can I just do E is explosion. This sound is like so bad though. It sounds like a buzz, static or whatever. I'll have to read more into it. And it looks like it's coming straight from the mixer. The ground lift. The issue is that how can I have a ground loop if my mixer is not plugged into an outlet? It's just a USB thing. They said they can unplug. Let's try. It didn't work. I unplug. Yeah, there's USB-C. Let's try one thing. Maybe it will be doing something. It's so annoying. You guys hear that too, right? Yeah. I wonder if I can... it fixed itself. There's a thing I could buy. It's like $20, maybe. I'll have to read more. Okay, let's try to finish this. I'm so close. I'll just do this. So if this, instead of just cycling, the first one is fine to cycle, I guess. E, well, this is true, and E is not an explosion. Then you get a real first one, so that should be fine. Okay, but then now there's a mistake possibly. You don't want to do anything, probably, if this first is, so if first equals null, then you want to return right away. Let's try that. Oh, also, I should disable I should do the same thing here. I was too lazy to write this, so I let the thing do it. Let's restart. It works, okay? And now why does it not work to move the time? I mean, does it work? Yeah, why doesn't it work? Also, I'll have to fix this because this is unusable. It's like a width of 0, right? Maybe I give it a width of 1 at least for now. With this would be in this thing up here. Apply time edit. Or not apply time edit. Apply selection. I'll do +1 here. And then here too. Otherwise it's a width of 1 and it's not usable. I mean, it's still almost not usable, but I think now I can at least zoom in. Yeah, at least now I can zoom in and do that. So why can't I move this like that? So this would be here, apply time edit. What was the difference in the other one? First offset plus that. First inset size. Because it's not required. I should not have done that, but whatever. That requires me to like reload. So if that doesn't do anything, it means we're not hitting this, right? But we do have a rect. We at least go there, right? No? So it doesn't think it has explosions? What? This is null? Selected entities has 2. Entity explosion. Oh, because I need to do e.current. This was already done, right? I didn't just change that, I think. I don't know. E.current, I got it right here. And then here, this should be fine. Okay, let's try that. Come on, start. Show me the juice. Okay. Moment of truth. It almost works. Oh, but also that should not be allowed. But now it works, right? I mean, let's go. So my offset thing is wrong. This one, let's try this. If I move this. Is it like popping in and out of existence or something? Oh, it's because it becomes... Yeah. Probably just a visual bug. That's kind of good though, we can now move this. Okay, that's already nice. But why does it do that when I have two together? Wait, where is it going? Why is it over there all the way? My offset is wrong. Oh, maybe I forgot to do my time offset. Yeah. That would explain it. The first one is fine, the other ones are not. First. So if it's first, we don't do it. We'll do it for this one. Current dot time offset equals what? Equals current dot time is, then we do EE2 the time. This fixes it, maybe. So if it's the first time, then it will have its own thing down here. Oh, but that's... No, wait. First time, that time. Okay, that's fine. It works. Oh, if I'm clicking the wrong button. Oh, I can snap to both sides of the thing. Probably not desirable. Bum, 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 bum. This is great though. Then I'll have to handle the wrapping, I guess. The wrapping is confusing. Oops. That's a huge milestone though. Okay, so if you have only one, I think I should do it where so anchor is this. This is just that. Because I think I want to do like -10 +10 or something, but only if it's 1. If I do that, does it mess up the whole thing? Time anchor. Alternatively, I leave the start time the same and I just make this bigger. Hey, welcome Taco Kufte. Or welcome back, I should say. Yeah. I got some cool stuff though. It's pretty so close from being good. I mean, the thing is playable or whatever, but I want the map editor to be useful too. That's like the main thing that makes everything hard. Let's do it where yeah, I started this in like 2016. If edit time start size is smaller, let's say then like, let's do 20 for the memes. Then we'll do edit time start size equals 20. And I think this has no impact whatever on everything else. It just makes this better. All right, let's try this. Bum, 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 bum. Ah, come on, just start. I don't get why, like, sometimes it starts instantly and sometimes the thing just waits. Hey. Wow. Incredible. Incredible. That's just too good. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's almost good. At least now I can move the time around. Even though it looks a bit glitchy. What happens if I do that? So it's when I have two that it can snap to the other side. Now, and if these are like really close together, like here, and now it's a bit bigger, it's really cool. So at least doing it like that, I can almost always drag it. If it's this small, then I can't really, but oh, I guess I can still a little bit. Oops. Yeah. No, that was like in 2015. Well, you're following since 2016. That was at the start of this game. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, here I can show you stuff. You haven't been here in a while, right? Here's an example map. So this, I'm pretty sure I had something like that before. Here, I'll show that. Oh no. Man, I'm washed. I'm so washed. There we go. Some of those levels were there like from a long time ago. Yeah. This is just the old map that I ported to this version. Oh, what? Ah, no way. Nice. Almost messed up. Oops. Ah. This big one. No. Oof. I actually did it. No. Ah. Wow. First try. Let's go. Easy. I felt like I messed up too. Ah, I knew it. Ah, I messed it up. Okay. Yeah, I need to get a character, but I need to find like someone to do it. I found many people, but it didn't turn out like, oh what? As good as it could be. There we go. Ah, what? This one I just do from muscle memory. I don't even know what's going on. Hey. So yeah, that's the game. Obviously in like a real big release there would be like a lot more, and the difficulty would be a lot easier. Yeah, the character is gonna define. Here, I can show you my current inspiration folder. I haven't showed that in a long time. Whoops, what is this? I went in the wrong one. Some of those are like, I've had them for a long time. So this is like character inspiration folder. I've saved a lot of things over the years for like, whoops. Why did it lag like that? So sometimes I look at colors, shapes. Oh. Some of them have like good style. Oh, is that Kogma? I can almost not recognize that. I forgot I had that one. Oh. I should add that to the game. At least as like little critters. It wants to go. This guy's moving the finger or whatever to make it move. Yeah, what are those? Flying fish? Oh. Is that? Huh. I don't know if I noticed what was going on when I saved this. It's like an orchestra chef on nature. Why is this there? This is not character. I saved the like 3 things in the wrong folder, I guess. Boom, boom, boom. dragons would be pretty cool. Look at that guy. Just chilling. Bum, 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 bum. Those are spider paws. Look at how cute that is. Spiders. Pretty much a dragon bird. True. Uh-oh, careful, he's gonna hunt you. Oh, I had more of those? They're so small. That's a spider, right? Oh. Imagine I do an octopus as the character, and then it just crawls over this. Those are cave worms. They just hang up. Ooh, that's a big one. Boom. Sorry to anyone that's scared of spiders. Ooh, those colors. The insect gatherer. Imagine the creator just walking on two legs like that. And then you do like a jump animation when it gets out of the explosion, foop, and then it falls flat on the ground, and then it gets back up, foop, falls back for the turns. Oh, I had a lot more than I remembered. I've just been saving them like one at a time. Oh, what is this? Yeah. Oh yeah, this one. That's an icon in League. I could actually see like my character having this type of face. That would be kind of funny to have that in the game, a little dance like that. Oh, that's a water bear, right? Just walking on the glass. Oop. It has little toes. birds. Agua de Fogo. So many different shapes. Oh, this one doesn't look happy. Oh, that's the last one. So yeah, there's a lot of potential for like what type of creature we want. Though, like you want something that is nice from the top down. And it has to flow, I think, like as you're moving, maybe like a tail or something. Oh, I'm not credit. Oh shit! Clip that. Did I see a bug right just now? I should have paused the game. Come on, move. Maybe not. Okay, I guess it's fine. I dreamed it. Okay, oof. Unless the stream didn't catch it. Why does this one start? Oh, because of that? And now I can select this and move it around. Wow. Oops. I forgot which one I moved, but whatever. This one, right? No, this one. Oh, right there. I felt it. It's quite cool. I feel like I'm dropping frames for some reason. Oh, it doesn't show drop frame? Ah. Maybe not. I should end the stream. Oops. Oh yeah, I also have this now. Yeah, I feel like there's lag a bit. Not lag, but sometimes the movement looks choppy a bit. I'll have to look into that maybe. Maybe I get rid of that. Or at least I make it be instead of being that, it should just be, let's say, if it has a value, just do rect dot left value. Come on, left. Otherwise, selection dot rect dot value, and we know this is not false because to be here, one of those have to be true, and if it's not this one, it has to be that one. Oops. Come on. Oh, what was I doing? Wait. Oh. Ah, shit. At least I can undo, that's nice. I forgot to select this level. I guess it is dangerous then. Ooh, okay. It almost... How would I fix this flicker? The issue is that this line current keyframe rather, this would not be updated right away. Nice. I can like move this together with this one. Nice. Or I can keep dragging it. Yeah, this is a huge quality of life, even though it's not perfect. I can take both and move them together. Huge. Or like shift everything down now, everything. Yeah. Oop. I'll have to figure out how to fix that. Or it snaps to the wrong side. Giving this a little bit of rhythm. This is actually more interesting already compared to like the other thing. Oh, do it at 400. Compared to that, the other one is almost equivalent, but oh, I don't have a pause anymore. Oh, I put it on break. Ah, true. Alright, I think I'll end the stream. I'll do a commit. It's not the greatest code of all time. I forgot what this was about. Alright, I'll end the stream here. Stream for like almost 4 hours. Good progress. Next part will probably just be like either making it better or maybe just a quick refactor to make the code like maintainable. But anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Do I have Nightbot here? I have a Discord for anyone that cares. Peace.